Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can find the music that you have listened in the Spotify apps to listen it again. Okay, to play back the music that you have listened, it's so super simple. You are just going to go to home and just click on your profile at the top left corner, and you can find in the listening history. Just click on listening history. So find your music that you want to play back. For example, just click on this song. Okay, that's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.